Hey guys, welcome to Techtree tutorial. Today we are going to talk about earn money with Binance Trading Bot, Binance Trading Bot. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. We all want to make money from cryptocurrencies, but seasoned investors know that manual trading can be time consuming and stressful. The allure of big profits can quickly turn sour due to the strain it puts on one's health and nerves. That's where smart trading bots come in, offering a smarter way to navigate the cryptocurrency market. So we have here a website that would help us so that you'll have some advanced algorithmic assistant equipped with artificial intelligence that can work tirelessly without rest, foods, or errors. So meet the Invader Mempool bot. You could go ahead and search this one out into your local browser, or you could just head into the description box below. So just a quick overview, this is an exemplar of this new generation of crypto bots. So a brief fact in here. So if you want to know how this bot works, so these tracks transactions on the selected decentralized exchange and finds among these transactions large orders that affects liquidity in the pool and the price of the token. So with an increased transaction fee, it makes a purchase of the same token slightly earlier and at a low price. So for you to be able to get started using this, you'll just go ahead and click onto the Start BSC Invader bot in here. Now right after that, it will redirect you onto the first step, which is creating a PIN code. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create and save a PIN code for your wallet, and then go ahead and follow the prompts in here so that you could go ahead and set up your BSC Invader bot wallet. So the possibilities here are significant. So stable profits with minimal risk. Invader Mempool bot can execute anywhere from 10 to 50 such deals daily, each yielding profits ranging from 2% to 15%. So this isn't influenced by market trends. It is a combination of AI, mathematics, and blockchain technology working relentlessly to generate profits. And if you think this would help you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you onto our next video.